Jakali Woka de Forest Department pra Doyang Wildlife Division inaugurate Korea de Hornbill TV pra Forest Minister CL John logode khota koribole parshe. Minister pra ito project opor jankari kunuba dishe. Dade Minister pra kushi ke helpline number olai dia de manukan pra ki diktar pailebi sokar logode direct report koribole parbo. Indiga hoigina modot to judli phata bole parbo kushi.
We are giving certain equipment to start with. In case of the systems are all Nagaland.
চলি থকা হিউমেন আৰু পাব্লিক লা কনফ্লিক্ট ওপৰতে আজি দয়াং ৱাইল্ড লাইফ ডিভিজন সুন্দৰ অখাতে নতুন খুলি দিছে আৰু ৱাইল্ড লাইফকে প্ৰটেক্ট কৰিব নিমিত্তে গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফ নাগালেণ্ড ফৰেষ্ট ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ পৰা বেছিভাগ ইনিচিয়েটিভ লৈ থকা মখান দেখি আছে আজি লগা মেইন অবজেক্টিভটো ছাৰ কি থাকিব পাব্লিকে একবাৰ
আজি লগা সব কৈ দিছে না এনিমেল জানুৱা কিমান আছে এটোকে আমাখান ভাল পৰা পালিব লাগিব শান্তি পৰা থাকিব লাগিব আমাখান তাখানকে ভাল পৰা কন্ট্ৰলতে ৰাখিব লাগিব এটো কাৰণে ৱাইল্ড লাইফ ডিভিজন দয়াংটো খুলি দিছে এটো আছে
এটো লগা বেনিফিট পাব্লিক খানকে ইয়াতে একটা কন্ট্ৰোল নমি মখান আজি ইনগ্ৰেট কৰা দেখি
পাব্লিক বেনিফিট তো তাখান দুখ দিগদাৰি পোৱাতন ফটাতে ৰিপৰ্ট কৰিব তাখান পৰা আমাৰ কি কৰিব পাৰিব এটো কৰি দিব কাৰণেহে খোলা আছে
Sir, ekta state action plan kuila submit kurila se pishe to help with human elephant conflict. To ito to kika dishna initiate hobo dishna se.
It's already submitted to the government for examination and necessary action, and we are hopeful that soon we will hear some positive news on this.
Sir, regarding about Woka district prone to elephant wildlife conflict, we have already been noticing about the incidents and all. So many of the time, these research people have been saying that wild elephant in Woka are trapped elephant. So is there any possibilities to relocate them, or is there any possibilities for these issues?
Actually, this issue was, we had taken up with Government of India. There is a provision in the Wildlife Protection Act that some problem populations can be relocated. But the modalities are such that we are unable to fulfill those modalities. The details, I don't want to go into much details here, but there are certain qualifying criteria for people who will be engaged for capturing and relocating. But we are unable to find, qualified agencies or persons for doing the job.
Sir, Nagaland to hunting to traditionally as a rate. Besibag remote area te mokhan bera time te hunting to bond no hoy kena sob jagate kuch alop jagate dikhi thake to ekta implement eneka wildlife strictly koribole para laga possibility nai ni Nagaland so that we can save all the animal
eto karone amahan seminar aru workshop ki sob awareness program jai thake to amahan ko jagate thori pabo tai to thoribo he aru amahan dabongja jaga to amahan bi upai nai eto to aru abraham nesti bi honi thake bola amahan dikhi loa jaga te to thorigni assembly loise fine bi khaise jail bi halise enaka na amahan thoribo para to etia bi amahan to beksu no hobo ki ase hukum to cholabo to amahan sob jaga te pogjibo na bare main power holibi department holibi alag police nisna alag department nisna bosti ti school nisna hospital nai to only district division ekta hai ase headquarter ekta ase yate ekta headquarter thante Pandare ki happen hoisa man na jane do aru longway dang de ki kore ase na jane do kotha eto ra aman na bongja jaga to upai nai bongja jaga da aman thore paise kole to eto law hisab te jabo
thank you sir
acha sir ekta question da idu Woka de human elephant conflict bisi jate to mohan farmers kan lodi in approach kore do tan la challenges bisi to tan la challenges te ekta compensation la bisi to compensation la kina das kumba to na pa ina bi koi to ito la kina
compensation disaster management para emetet joli joli tekhan didi abang tiba me sai para bi kiba kiba government ke hoti holibe government para ki komti pale komti dibo government para olo bisi dili bisi dibo enaka jaise
kumbato na pai inabi ina documents athar ina kampura luide ina
If there are any particular cases, they can approach the division kholi dishe ate ahi kena application debo parebo ami information hisab para except last quarter amakan kiman application thakise to sab clear kori dishe last quarter laga to kora nai kile mane funds to government of India para ki hisab para pae itu para hi bhag kore sabke to 100% to kityaba possible bhi na hoy but para tak itu kure thake and I think except the last quarter we have cleared everything.
It's very unfortunate to learn that last year Manu Murishe in Boka due to human elephant conflict. So itu la to expressya tai benefit ki pawala se itu la award to bonchai dishna aro kiman dishe to la all of kuitu.
We have already paid an ex gratia amount of 5 lakh rupees to the victim. In addition, 4 lakh rupees was given from the State Disaster Management Fund. From the department, as I said, we have already paid 5 lakh rupees as ex gratia.
Do you really know what you're eating? Not all eggs are the same. Choose Junaki eggs you can trust. At Junaki, quality begins at the source. Fresh, safe, and perfect for your family.
Every Junaki egg is lab tested for safety and problem harmful bacteria.
Bring home the nutrition your family truly deserves.